What's up, everybody? Today we have a quick tutorial on how to turn on the new feature in GitHub of dark mode. There's now a dark mode appearance that you can use, and it's really easy to enable. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead into your top right hand corner when you're on GitHub. You're going to click your drop down. And then what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to click on your settings, which takes you to this page that I'm on here. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and click on the appearance option, which has the new icon next to it. And then you can choose, do you want it to be default to your system? Do you want it light? Or do you want it to be dark? My system is in dark mode, but I want to force it to dark mode, so I'm going to go ahead and click dark. And now you can see you have the dark theme appearance for GitHub. If you enjoy these tutorials, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know how I'm doing, and most importantly, have a great day. See you next time.